Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm cleaning and organizing my pantry and refrigerator. I needed to stock up on some goodies for the week. I did a grocery pickup at Walmart and you will see that haul later on within this video. This is a part 2 on how I prep for the upcoming week on Sundays. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time hearing my voice, hi and welcome. My name is Sherry. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you click on that subscribe button and that bell right beside it. I also do DIYs. I love bringing my styles to life, one DIY at a time. And if you're part of the oldie but goodie squad and a returning subscriber, welcome back squad. Now let's get to this cleaning and organizing. This is the night before me picking up my grocery haul. I always clean out the refrigerator before restocking it with new food. I have to wipe everything down and get it clean and sanitized. If this whole attire looks familiar, I wore this in my latest video, the Sunday prep for the week ahead. I recorded this but did not show these clips within that video. If you have not seen that video yet, I will put it up in a card above and a link down below in the description box. Alright you guys, so I just got finished grocery shopping. Obviously I just got finished grocery shopping. I'm just taking everything out of the bag. Also sorting the items where they're going to go. So everything that's going in the refrigerator is going to be on this side. I'm going to keep the cleaning products close to the meat, which is what's in that bag right there. And everything else that's going into the pantry, I'm going to put over here. These are all the items that I purchased. There are a lot of vegetables and fruits. That's because me and hubby are juicing and we're supposed to be doing that for a month. So I had to re-up on the snacks, had to re-up on the fruits and vegetables, get some more cleaning supplies, some more breakfast stuff and dinner stuff. And I brought this to put Bo's snacks in, his doggy treats. That's not gonna hold all of his doggy treats. They're in a huge box. So now I just have to go through here and just straighten everything up. As you see, the yams are growing. So I'm just going to go through here, straighten it up some. I know it's been a minute. Excuse that haze that's right there. That's due to the light right here. I don't know, it's weird. So I've already straightened this out. Last night I went through all of this last night, cleaned everything out, so there's room for the new groceries, the new fruits, snacks, all that stuff. I want to get like the clear fancy jars, well not fancy jars, but you know those clear containers to store some of these items like cereal and stuff. But I don't want to get that until I get finished actually doing the pantry. So for now, I'm just going to continue using these Dollar Tree bins. They work, they're cheap, they work, and they're cheap. In this clip, I'm stating that I'm using a Lysol wipe to clean each container as well as wiping down each shelf. Before adding the new groceries to the pantry, I'm first going to declutter the food and the items that are already in the pantry. Try to get rid of some of the original packaging just to free up some space. And once that's done, I'm going to add the new food to the pantry. Since the hubster and I are juicing, our groceries have been really small. It mainly consists of snacks for the kids, their breakfast food, bottles of water, and fruits and vegetables. Every now and then I do have to restock on like cleaning supplies, laundry detergent, dish detergent, essentials for the house. But mainly our groceries just have been consistent of snacks, bottles of water, and fruits and vegetables. The groceries are now put away, and this is how everything is looking in the pantry. For the big and bulky items, I put on the bottom shelf. For the kids' snacks, that goes in their refrigerator, and in the pantry it's all stocked. The fruits and vegetables are all washed and clean, so they're ready to be eaten and to use in our juices. Everything is in reach for the kids, so they won't have any problems grabbing their snacks or even the water bottles. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning and organizing my pantry and the refrigerator. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. I love reading your guys' comments. What do you think about this video, about the pantry, about whatever? Just let me know down below in the comments. And also make sure that you are subscribed so you can see more videos like this and even see previous videos that I've recorded. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you in the next one.